Hello everyone, we are Group 19 from Section 15. We are here to present our DIY group assignment. We have made a water level monitoring system with the help of ultrasonic sensors. We would like to begin by thanking our professors and TAs for their guidance and advice. We would also like to thank our parents for their motivation. Also, we would like to thank the Almighty for providing us with all the strength to fight all the obstacles and challenges. This is the basic content we'll cover in the slides. So as we know that water is a very essential resource and we must save water for the future generations. So this was the motivation for our project. It has been rightly said by Lauren Isley, if there is magic on this planet, it is contained in water. To encounter this water wastage problem, we have developed this project. This can be installed in home water tanks and groundwater tanks. This would help us to save groundwater tremendously, which is a very precious resource and a major source for fresh water. Some of the components we have used in the circuit are an Arduino Uno R3, a breadboard, an ultrasonic distance sensor, a buzzer, a temperature sensor, and LCD screen. The basic working of a project is as described on the screen. The circuit diagram is as follows. This is the circuit diagram for a Spire temperature sensor, which we could not develop due to the non-availability of the hardware components. This is the basic code for the circuit. Our team members are Aditya Sarode, Aditya Satnalika, that is me, Ankush Agarwal, Nikhil Lahane, and Prathvik GS. Some of the references we used in developing this project are as shown on the screen. Thank you. Now let us take a look at the code. The code we have implemented is this. Let us copy and paste this in the Arduino IDE. Let us try to compile the code to see if it is fine. As we can see, the code has been compiled and it is error-free, and this has been implemented in the hardware circuit. Now my friend Ankush Agarwal will demonstrate the physical working of the circuit as assembled by him.
Hello everyone, this is Ankush Agarwal from section 15. So here you can see our setup, which consists of an Arduino, the breadboard and a relay switch and all the jumper wires. There's a resistance of 10 kilo ohms. This is the tank and this is the ultrasonic sensor. As this is a simulation, we have connected the tub with the help of an outer tub with the motor in that. And now let's switch it on. We have connected. As you can see, the water level is flowing and it's filling very slowly. As you can see here, this bucket consists of markings of 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 20 centimeters, and so on. For the current, we have used the mobile charger, which provides 5 volt DC voltage, as you can see here. Also here you can see there are two lights in the relay, a red one and a green one. So the red one indicates that the circuit is on and the green one is indicating that the motor is on. So as soon as the bucket is full, the green one will switch off. Now as you can see, the water level has reached around 20 centimeters. The green light in the relay has automatically turned off, and also the motor has also turned off. So as you can see, the ultrasonic sensor detects the height difference, and as soon as our tank is filled, it will switch off the motor. So this is our project. Thank you.